Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created a dramatic halo eye look using the new Too Faced Sunset Stripped eyeshadow palette. And the first shade I'm going in with is called Butter Pecan. It's a warm tone orange peachy transition shade. It reminds me a lot of Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie. And I'm using an Ariel A11 blending brush. And I'm going to blend this all over into my crease, my inner corner, and my outer V, but avoiding the center of my eyelid. On a smaller blending brush, a Morphe JH35, I'm going with the shade Golden Hour. It's a really nice pink tone transition shade, and I'm going to blend this into my inner corner, outer V, and into my crease, creating that halo effect. And of course, as always, really taking my time blending out these shades, making sure everything is nice and well blended and no harsh lines. And taking a much smaller blending brush, a Morphe M507, I'm going to go in with the shade Chai Times. It's a really nice matte burgundy, rich, red tone brown shade, and I'm going to blend that into my inner corner and my outer V, and up into my crease just slightly. And it's really important to take your time blending out these shades, adding a little bit of shadow and just slowly building it up. And I'm slowly going to connect these two shades in my crease. Taking the same Morphe M507, I'm going to go with the shade Cocoa Glow. It's a more rich brown chocolate shade, and I'm going to blend that into my outer V and my inner corner. I'm going to use some Smashbox Primer Water and a small shading brush by Colourpop, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Surfboard. It's a really pretty golden lilac shade. I absolutely love this shade, and I'm going to apply this to the center of my eye. Taking that same shading brush, I'm going to flip it and get it wet and apply the shade Bonfire Babes. It's a more rich chocolatey shimmer shade, and I'm going to apply that to the very edges of Surfboard, just kind of blending it out so that way the center of the eye is the shiniest and the edges are a darker shimmer. I'm then taking the Morphe M507 and I'm just blending in the matte eyeshadows with the shimmer. Taking that same Morphe M507, I'm going with the shade Chai Times, which is that burgundy shade, and I'm just going to apply that to the bottom lash line in the inner corner and outer V. And on that same brush, I'm going to go in with the darker brown shade, Cocoa Glow, and also apply that to my inner corner and outer V. Dusting away any fallout. Using the Colourpop shading brush, I'm going to apply Surfboard to my bottom lash line. And I'm going to add some of that chocolate shimmer, Bonfire Babes, as well. I'm then going to highlight my inner corner using a Morphe JH39, and it's the Laura Mercier 01 highlighter. I'm then going to apply some black eyeliner to my bottom waterline. This is the Tarte Eyeliner. I'm going to apply some mascara and then go with false lashes. I'm going to use the Ariel Demi Wispies, and then that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.